So software-defined edge is in a whirlwind of change right now. And the reason that it's in a whirlwind of change is because you folks can modernize your infrastructure, but at the same time create monetizable services. And we are here to show you how that's going to happen at VMware Explore. There's a lot of excitement going on about AI. But what I'm going to talk to you about and why I want you there at VMware Explore is because of AI at the edge. And AI at the edge is transforming industries. Whether you're talking about the manufacturing floor, the retail store, logistics, it's all happening with edge AI. Now, edge AI really is important because of three things. One is low latency. The other is if you have anything that concerns autonomous operations. And the third is about intelligence. Intelligence moving to the edge. And therefore, you want to learn about what's going on with software-defined edge from Broadcom.
We invite you to join Sanjay and me along with our team of edge experts at the Venetian to explore the software-defined edge. The opportunities, strategies, partnerships, challenges, we'll put it all on the table for you. Regardless of your industry or use case, we have an agenda full of sessions, demos, and tutorials to answer all of your questions and maybe get you to think about new ways the edge can propel your business forward.
I welcome all of you to VMware Explore, where you're going to learn everything about the software-defined edge, and in particular about all the excitement of edge AI. See you there.